There is nothing like a big bowl of chili and some nice warm homemade Italian cheese bread to go with that. The recipe I have for cheesy bread is super easy. Let's make our favorite cheesy bread. Combine 1.5 cups of really warm water, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and just a pinch of sugar in a bowl until the yeast starts to bubble and foam. Then I add 3¼ cups flour, a teaspoon of salt, a little onion powder, garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, and a handful of Parmesan cheese. Freshly grated is best, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using powdered. Mix it up until it's like a shaggy dough, still a little bit sticky. And then you can mix in a little bit more flour if you need to, or at this point, dump it out onto the counter and knead it. Once I put it on the countertop, I'm going to knead in some grated mozzarella cheese and then add in some chunks of cheddar cheese. I like to have little pockets of cheddar cheese in this bread. I just think it makes it taste really yummy. So I break this cheddar cheese up into little chunks and then just put that into my bread. Let this rest on your countertop, covered for about 90 minutes. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Then I preheat my Dutch oven inside that oven for about 15 minutes before I put this dough into the Dutch oven and then put it in the oven and let it bake for about 30 minutes. The last 15 minutes of baking time, I remove the lid from the Dutch oven just so that this loaf can brown up more on top. Let it cool before you cut it, otherwise it just squishes down in size. Mine never makes it very long. Somebody from the family always cuts into it to have, which is fine. You're gonna love this. Let me know in the comments your favorite thing to go with homemade chili. Thanks for watching.